Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few ways by which you can turn off sleep mode on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if you keep your Windows 11 computer idle for a few minutes, then it will automatically enter to the sleep mode. Now, if you don't want your computer to enter the sleep mode, then you can turn off sleep mode on Windows 11. I'm going to be showing you two ways by which you can disable sleep mode on Windows 11. So for that, simply click on Start button, then click on Settings, and here click on System, and here you will find one option called Power. Simply click on Power, and here you will find Screen and Sleep Mode. Simply expand this option, and here you will find two sleep mode option. Here we have when plugged in, turn off my computer screen after 10 minutes, and here we have when plugged in, put my device to sleep after 30 minutes. Now, if you want to disable sleep mode on Windows 11, then here from the drop down menu select Never, and for this also select Never. Here you will find few warning, so just ignore this. So this way you can disable sleep mode on Windows 11. Now let me show you another method by which you can turn off sleep mode. For that, simply click on the search option and search for Control Panel. Here on the View By option, click Categories, and here you will find System and Security. Simply click on System and Security, and here we have Power option. Simply click on Power option, and here you will find an option called Change when the computer sleep. Here we have two options: turn off the display and put the computer to sleep. So from the drop down menu, simply select Never, and here also click on Never, and click on Save Changes. So this will disable your sleep mode on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.